We have here the M5Stack LLM630 Compute Kit. I bought this from the Pi Hut in the UK. You can as well order it from M5Stack.com. In the kit, you'll find the compute module, an antenna, and a heatsink with 4 foam pads. The module has 2 USB ports. One is an OTG and the other a UART. It has 2 buttons, a user programmable button and an off-on reset button. It has 3 headers on the right side, a 2-pin battery header, an 8-pin function header, and a 4-pin mic speaker header. The kit's M2 mainboard is equipped with the Axtra AX630C system-on-chip processor. On the board is also a built-in 4GB LPDDR4 memory chip. Provided is also a gigabit Ethernet port. The board also has 2 connectors for a camera interface and a display interface. The board is also equipped with Wi-Fi, 6-axis gyroscope, Please don't forget to like and subscribe.